A very good morning to everybody. I'm Tan. Today in this presentation, I'm going to highlight on the case study topic, which is the SDG goal number 12, responsible consumption and product. In conducting this case study, one of the problems in our daily life has been identified, which is the effect of conventional vacuum cleaner product usage against the environment. There are several effects of the vacuum cleaner usage against the environment, which will be discussed as follows. Firstly, most of the conventional vacuum cleaner will consume a lot of the electricity due to the high power rating requirement installed in the system, which this will cause depletion of natural resources. As we all know, in order for the machine or for the system to be carried out the full duty cycle of the performance in order to increase the efficiency of the system, the high power rating requirement will be installed within the system, and this will result in large consumption of electricity. Large consumption of electricity will eventually deplete the natural resources. As we all know, if we want to generate electricity, we will need to consume and substitute the natural resources into generating of the electricity, which this will bring endangerment to the environment. Secondly, the another problem faced of using conventional vacuum cleaner product is it's very hard to get smaller size of vacuum cleaner from the market, which will cause inconvenience in housekeeping. Most of the product that's sold in the market, especially the vacuum cleaner, is designed in a very large size, which this is very hard for the user to clean and to apply into the narrow space housekeeping. Thirdly, most of the vacuum cleaner from the market is made out from non-recyclable material such as plastic, wax balls, and so on, which this will cause pollution to the environment. When all of this product has been dumped, it will become the e-waste, or as known as also the plastic waste to the environment, which all of these plastic waste can hardly to be managed. Hence, all of this problem will bring to the pollution of the environment, especially endanger humans' life and also humans' health. Thank you.
Next, we need to analyze and discuss the problem. As we all know, this prototype is proposed to maintain the sustainability development in achieving goal number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. So here, to deal with the problem of wastage of electricity in conventional vacuum cleaner, this prototype is using a low power so that we can prevent from wasting the electricity when we are using this product. Nowadays, it is very hard for us to obtain a small size vacuum cleaner in market. So by using our product, our vacuum cleaner has a small size, so it is very easy to handle and we can bring it to anywhere. About the depletion of resources, we don't have to worry because this product is made up from recyclable material such as aluminum sheet and a plastic bottle.
Hi, my name is Lim Jumpin. So I will talk about the engineer solution related to SDG. To achieve the SGT of 12, which is responsible consumption and production, we're trying to design our mini vacuum by using the low power DC voltage to operate, so the energy use and heat production will be less. Next, consider to go green development. The recyclable material will selected in this design. And then the last, we are using the rechargeable energy, which using a power bank to supply the voltage to the DC motor. So this can reduce the e-waste compared by we use the alkaline battery as a power supply.
Hi, I'm Shazlin and I'm going to talk about non-engineering solution. So, sustainable consumption and production promotes resources and energy efficiency, sustainable infrastructure, and access to green and decent jobs, and a better quality of life. It is at the heart of progress towards building a sustainable economy that works for both people and planet in the long term. Firstly, choose the right light. LED bulbs are the most energy efficient lighting option. LED bulbs use 70% less electricity than incandescent bulb. This is also have no mercury and lasts about 25 times longer than traditional incandescent bulb. Next, by eliminates vampire power, devices like television, microwave, scanners, and printers use standby power even when they are off. So some charge continue to pull small amounts of energy even when it's plugged in. Hence, a good charge of this is if a charger feels warm to the touch. Next one is reduce using bottled water. Imagine we can save about 1,460 bottles when we switch to reusable. So we need to say goodbye to single-use plastic bottles and start looking for a low-cost reusable bottle. Moreover, by using reusable bag, when we go to the shop, we'll save about 1,500 plastic bags from getting eaten by turtles. The fact that can be denied was about 100,000 marine animals are killed by plastic bags each year. So we need to switch to a reusable to reduce your overall waste and keep sea life from harm. Lastly, to get a better quality of life in the future, from now on we need to recycle everything. It at least can save 9,000 pounds of plastic waste from going into the landfills each year.
In a nutshell, this prototype is proposed to maintain the sustainability development in achieving goal number 12, which is responsible consumption and production. The aim of sustainable development is to balance our economic, environmental, and social needs, allowing prosperity for now and future generations. Countries must be allowed to meet their basic needs of employment, food, energy, and water. Sustainable development encourages us to conserve and enhance our resource base by gradually changing the ways in which we develop and use technologies. This includes social progress and equality, environmental protection, conservation of natural resources, and stable economic growth. At the end of the day, everybody has the right to a healthy, clean, and safe environment. That's all from us. Thank you and have a nice day.